Okay, so for my teaching philosophy statement, I decided to go with, explaining how learning is a part of life, whether it comes from your teacher, family, or community. We will never stop learning. The teacher plays a big role in the student's life in this long learning process. That's why I believe it's important not to discourage anyone in this process and instead reinforce positive attitude, incorporating different styles of hands-on learning, cooperative learning, projects, themes, and individual work that will engage students to not feel bored with the same routine. So, let me explain a little more about not discouraging students. So, whether it's like students make mistakes or doing, students, like it's part of life. Students will have, everyone makes mistakes, and making sure students don't feel bad, because I know some students can really like take it to, they can be really sensitive. I know when I was in elementary school, I was very sensitive with like literally everything. So just making sure students, instead of like, like example, a student can't pronounce a word right, or students, like the student is falling behind in the material. Um and as this as well goes with the students, making sure their peers are also reinforcing this positive attitude towards their peers, because I know like bullying and stuff like that can get in their way, and like making sure that doesn't happen. So just, having a positive attitude for sure. And making reassuring them that mistakes are gonna happen and no one's perfect. As well as another thing that I wanted to include in here was incorporating different styles of learning. So for sure, changing it up every week or so, just so it doesn't feel like the same thing again and again, and also including technology. I think students are a little bit more tech savvy with technology nowadays, and I think that's very, more like something more new that students for sure will like, as well as theme projects and stuff like that. Um, and yeah, so that is my teaching philosophy.